Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Oha Education Wali and I am a student at Rehan College Munawar campus Karachi. So today's video is about TEDx talk of by Do School Kills Creativity by Sir Ken Robinson. So Sir Ken Robinson's TEDx talk is a famous honest look at why our modern schools are broken. His main point is that being creative is just as important as learning to read and write, but schools treat it like it doesn't matter. He says that all the children are born with a natural talent for coming up with new ideas and they are not afraid of being wrong. However, schools punish students for making mistakes. We actually teach kids to stop being creative by punishing them for their talents or something like that. By the time children grow up, they are afraid of trying new things because they think they might make a mistake and get punished. So they have been taught from the childhood that making a mistake is the worst thing that you can do. He explained that our school system was actually built a long time ago to train workers for factories or some jobs like this. So this is why school focuses so much on math and science and other science subjects, but put art, music, and dance at the bottom of the list. Because of this, many kids who are actually very talented or smart grow up feeling like they are not smart enough to compete with other kids just because they are not good at sitting still and taking tests doesn't mean they don't have any talents or some any talent or smartness. So he argues that Sir Ken Robinson argues that this way of thinking is a huge mistake and is failing our children. So failing our children because they are uh, making them less talented, making them feel less talented and smart than other kids. So in the end, he says that we need to change how we think about being smart. He tells a story about a famous dancer that who was almost put in education, a special education, because she was too good to dance and she couldn't sit still when ready. She just needed to move to think. He believes, Sir Ken Robinson believes that we should stop treating students like they are just brain on legs and start helping them grow their unique talents. He finishes by saying that the only way to prepare for the future is to encourage the natural creativity that every child already has inside them and make them feel smarter. To wrap everything up, Sir Ken Robinson's talk is a powerful reminder that we are all born with different talents and qualities. He believes that the purpose of education should not be to make everyone and the kids same, but to help each person find their own talents and skills and qualities and to find what they are naturally good at. He challenges us to look at the kids not just as students who need to pass tests, but as humans with deep and colorful imaginations who have talents and qualities. By shifting our focus, we can create a world where every child feels confident in their own talent and their abilities rather than feeling like they have failed just because they think differently or they don't have any smartness because they have different talents and different everything. So that was the point of Sir Ken Robinson, that every person is born with every person is born with their own qualities and talents. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. That was the end of the video.